Welcome to the Homeowner's Guide to Heat Pumps, brought to you by Endless Energy, your Mass Save heat pump leader. How to qualify for Mass Save rebates. If you're considering a heat pump in Massachusetts, one of the first questions homeowners ask is, do I qualify for Mass Save rebates? At the heart of the Mass Save rebate program are high-efficiency heat pump systems. The rebates and incentives are designed to help make energy-efficient heating and cooling more affordable to homeowners. Are there steps to take? Yes. The first step begins with a mandatory home energy assessment. This no-cost evaluation looks at how your home uses energy and identifies opportunities to improve efficiency through things like insulation and air sealing. Next, the heat pump system itself must meet certain efficiency requirements and be installed by a qualified contractor. Get all the rebates and incentives you qualify for when you call Endless Energy. They'll guide you through the entire process from the initial assessment to designing the right heat pump system for your home. Endless Energy is a Mass Save heat pump leader featured in the Ductless Directory, recognized as a Ductless All-Star, and featured in USA Today for their achievement in home energy efficiency. Based in Marlborough, with additional locations in Needham and Randolph, Massachusetts. Get your no-cost home energy assessment. You may qualify for Mass Save rebates and incentives. Call 508-501-9990 or visit goendlessenergy.com.